Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're both here with Birchbox, which I think we got yesterday, but we're just behind in filming. As always,
behind. And
I can even
I
rip
feel like
that
today's
one.
another day where I have to wear red, white, and blue just because of this thing I'm in, and so I'm like, so I'm wearing blue and white. And then just 4th of July earrings still, so
I'm like, there's
I know.
It's not me.
I'm like breaking mine, but and mine said here's to Edith, and hers says the enduring Kim. I looked at it, and then I believe mine I got like a one that they already had curated, I believe, and hers was just a random one. So
Yeah, I think I picked a sample, but other than that, I did not.
this says love, and then comma you, Jessica. It says I became proud of the shape and size of my small breasts when I recognized during my pregnancy that I was capable of sustaining life. Now I'm much less inclined to hide that part of myself. Interesting.
Mine says
So-
I've come to embrace my body and love it for exactly how it is. It makes me feel really free to simply exist and not feel like I have to change for another person.
So it
And
makes
mine
me-
has that
makes
on
me
the
think
front.
of just like a love yourself, love the skin you're in kind of thing. And then those are the products it comes with.
because at the back it says love you. We want your Birchbox to be a reminder to take care of yourself inside and out. The person on the front of your card is one of 6 we're featuring this month who has overcome an insecurity to feel more confident in her skin. See them all at birchbox.com/love you and share yours by tagging #2YouLoveYou.
And there's a Birchbox just for subscribers. 20% off Discovery Kids limited edition boxes with code exclusive20. So there's that. And then it just tells more about it on the other side. And then, do you want me to go first with what I got? And then...
Sure.
Okay, so we have, what did I get? Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. I think this is a box I told my sister most of the stuff I'm just going to get and put in the giveaway. So probably like that would go in the giveaway just because I have unopened mascaras. This I wanted just because I like my little crazy, you know, Invisibobble. I think this one I read was supposed to be more like stronger or better somehow. And it's sad, I pretty much wanted the box just for that. Isn't that pathetic? But there's Super Comb Prep and Protect. Again, I have a lot of these kind of things, but I'm not sure if I have this exact one, but I might, might put it in the giveaway. Then there is Kula's Classic Primer SPF 30. I do use the SPF stuff. I actually have one that looks just like this. That's just the actual sunblock. But then there's also BB Don't Blow It, Fine Hair Styler for fine to medium soft hair. Bumble and Bumble. If it's for blow drying, then I probably will put it in a giveaway. I can't remember if it is. And then last but not least, I think there's this like little Aero Boost color enhancing lip balm. I don't know if it turns, it looks yellow-ish. And then I don't know, I think it turns a shade of something. I could be wrong. I could be doing this just for the heck of it without it turning any color. But it actually does have, it's hard to see. It's got like a light
like,
pink.
yeah.
You probably can't even see it in this lighting. But I was like, closer. But yeah, it's just like a light pink. And I don't know if there was anything else about this that I actually wanted it for. But let's see if there's any kind of...
Like SPF or anything in it?
Yeah, where are you? I was like, where are you? It just says adjust to your lips pH, create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. So it just gets a little pink. Maybe take some time. But that was it for this box. And so...
yeah, so for mine, I didn't pick one of their... What do you call it?
Curated?
Curated, yeah, I guess.
Regularly scheduled
but I did
programming.
pick like a specific sample. So I got Kiehl's, as I say Kiehl's, Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. So that is the thing I did pick, but the rest of it's just random. So I got SU or Sue Hair and Body Wash, Divines, as I say it?
Hair and body wash. That's always interesting.
Divines at the bottom, or Divines, Divines, no. I don't know how you pronounce it. That's what it says at the bottom. Okay, and then got Max lip gloss in what color?
Is the S6WE15 or is that a code?
I don't know. Well, anyway, I'll leave it closed so that like if I want to put it in a giveaway,
Do
it's
you
still.
have your card? Maybe I can see if.
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry.
You. Do you have your card?
It is right here.
It might not
probably-
say
it
it.
probably
I
says.
thought if it does, then I can.
And then Dr. Jart.
Oh, it's in. It's in per.
Oh.
Or PRRR.
I'm like, okay. And then anyway, Dr. Jart's V7 Priming Moisturizer. So that. And then the last thing I think is...
And I like yours kind of better.
Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, which is the one my sister used to love. I don't know if she still loves it. If she
I
loves
like it a lot. It depends on how my skin is. If my skin's dry, I feel like sometimes it's like scraping my skin with a little brush. But
So it's fairly good.
Yeah, I think yours was almost better than mine. Oh, see, now it looks like I've just got, I don't know, it looks at the pink. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like as though I have like a blush or bruise or something on. But that was it for this video. Again, this box is around $12 a month. It did go up in price from the original like $10.88 or whatever it was. We did pay for the entire year, or at least I did. Did you pay for the year?
Yeah.
I feel like she did. For her year, I think ends before mine, so I'll continue with it. She may not. Whenever that's up. But that was it. If it was quick enough for you, just give us a thumbs up. We are doing our giveaway videos soon. Kim still needs to go through her stuff to pick out items for you guys.
So much.
But we appreciate our loyal fans, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.